This 2021 Jayco Jay Flight 28 BHBE is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Newfield, New Jersey, 08344 and is offered for sale by Crossroads Trailer Sales, Inc. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Jayco is 33 feet 7 inches in length and features sleeps 10, water heater, Slideout, Skylight, TV antenna, awning, refrigerator, oven, and 82 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, bunkhouse, front bedroom, mid-kitchen, mid-living area, 2 entry, exit doors. The unloaded weight of this 2021 Jayco Jay Flight 28 BHBE is 6,640 pounds. This 2021 Jayco Jay Flight 28 BHBE. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.